So, cracking your neck, huh? It's one of those things that feels kinda good, but also makes you wonder if it's actually bad for you. Some people say it's just air bubbles popping, while others think it could lead to problems later on. Honestly, if you're doing it a lot and feeling pain, maybe it's time to chill and see a doc. But hey, if it's just a little pop here and there, you probably don't have to stress about it. Just listen to your body, and if it feels good, enjoy it. But don't overdo it.